Etsy's big announcement is finally here. This is something that they've been teasing for the last several weeks. Today, I want to dive into what it is, and it is pretty big, and give you guys all the details. Let's go. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Handmade and Beyond podcast and the special Etsy seller news segment. I am your host, LL. Glad to be back with you guys. And today I have Etsy's big announcement on the docket. We're going to dive into everything that they just announced because it is pretty big. The first major part, because this announcement is twofold, is the fact that they are advertising for the Super Bowl. There's going to be more information coming out on the specifics of it. I don't know how many spots they're doing, if they're doing just one spot. I think it's just one, but I'm not sure. But either way, this is huge. This should be big for the platform. As you know, the Super Bowl advertising is very, very select because it's very, very expensive. And it reaches 100 million people, which is why it's so expensive. So it's a good opportunity to get people that don't know what Etsy is on board with finding out more about Etsy and learning that they can shop and what they can find on the platform. And hopefully it will bring us a lot more buyers and a lot more will come of it. So that is the huge, big announcement. So they're going to do February 1st, they're going to do a sneak peek of the actual ad and what they're going to be saying in the ad and what they're going to be promoting in the ad. So more to come on that, and I'll keep you guys posted. The other pretty big deal that they announced was Etsy gift mode. So this is a whole new addition to the platform. It's a whole new different way for people to shop for gifts for people. And I think it's pretty cool. I was playing around with it. If you're watching this, I'll throw a little clip up of it. But I was playing around with it earlier today, and the platform is pretty intuitive, and it's designed with AI. It's a AI machine learning, and what it does is it filters out, and you can select from who you're buying for. So you can select, is it a husband, a friend, a wife? What are their interests? What are they interested in? What's their hobbies? So you make these selections, as many as you want, and then it will filter out the results, the search results, and it will bring them with the best gift selections based on your criteria to choose from. So no longer do people have to sit in the search bar and type in gift or random things. They can actually use this gift mode to just type in different, or not even type, just select different criteria based on who they're shopping for, and Etsy's going to give them the best results. And then literally all they have to do is select one of those results and buy. So it's going to make the shopping experience more streamlined and easier for buyers looking for gifts, which, as we know, is a big part of the people buying on Etsy. So if they make the buying experience seamless, easier, faster, more people are going to buy. On the flip side of this, if you're not offering gifts or gifts aren't in your keywords, make sure that they are, because most of the things that you sell can at some point be a gift, no matter what it is. If you sell art, people buy art as gifts. If you sell digital downloads, they can be gifts as well. If you sell graphic tees, they of course can be gifts. So most of the things that we sell can be gifts. That is why it's always good to have a gift in your tags, in your title, in part of your keywords. Because if you don't want to get filtered out, and it will help you show up more for people buying gifts, and especially with this way. So they're going to continue to refine this. They have obviously algorithms at play. They have AI machine learning at play. They're going to show people, the results are going to be different. Just like the algorithm works for, results are different. Even if you type in the same thing, results are different for different people because of relevance, because of their past buying history. But other things definitely come into play, like I was talking about: title, tag, listing quality. Those are things that will get you up in search results and at least give you the opportunity to be seen with people looking for gifts. So check this out. I'll drop a link below. You should have gotten an email where you can do this yourself, whether on the desktop version or in the app. You can check out gift mode, play around with it so you can see what is going on. But I like it. I think these are good additions. These are only going to help sellers. I know a lot of people get negative about changes and stuff like that, but I think this is good changes, and I think the outcome of this can only help bring more buyers to the platform, and it can only help benefit sellers. But check it out. Let me know what you guys think. That's it for this episode. Have an amazing rest of your day and weekend.